Is that when this is power turned on, the power gauge does not go from left to right as the manual says. It says that to fix that error condition, this joystick should be centered. But when we center the joystick, it is still signaling an error condition. The joystick is centered. The joystick is centered, but it's still giving an error condition according to the manual. The manual says, after release joystick, the mistake still exists. Maybe this part is malfunction. Do not use and contact with service center for maintenance. I think it's probably a factory defect because this joystick is according to the manual, the joystick is not centered, and that's why it's not functioning.
Yeah.
It refuses to do anything else because the joystick is not centered no matter what we do playing around with it. So based on that, based on the simplistic, grammatically ridiculous user manual on that the control unit has a defect right out of the box.